Alright, so we're finna unbox some casings, and I know this ain't CS, but like it's kind of like CS. So we're finna unbox some casings in this game. Once again, this is not sponsored, so I just hello love this game. So we're just gonna unbox some cases. Alright, I don't know if that's chill with y'all, but we're finna unbox some cases. Bro, why is my FPS so bad right now? Ooh, oh damn. Let me know, do y'all like more of the Geometry Dash, or like do y'all fuck with these videos? Cause I really don't mind doing more of these videos. I don't have a PC, so it's gonna be hard to. I don't even think I'm gonna edit these actually. It's just gonna be plain, but cause I don't have a PC right now. But so. Oh my god, the luck is crazy. Oh, that wasn't good. I'm just saying, like, I usually just don't get any. So red means like I don't have it, and so I just need a. Oh my god! What the? Unfortunately, this video is probably just gonna be not even that long. But I just really want a butterfly. I mean, it's mid, but like, not horrible. See now, see what they just did there was disrespectful. Man. Oh, let's go. I'm just trying to get like every knife. I can afford a few more pieces, so. Damn. Not sponsored by TikTok. No, let's just buy 5 pieces. That's all I can do right now, but like, I'll probably come back with 1 mil the next time I upload one of these videos if y'all boys like it. See now, this is just I'm talking about. Like the end line is actually mid, but like it's not crazy good. Bro, if I could tell you how many machete ones I have, bro. I might do a couple levels though. That was just absolutely dog shit. I just have a whole bunch of these, so I'm open these and then I do like a level or two. I mean, this is not bad. I'm not gonna mess with that. Now, like the best one from this one is probably the butterfly knife, but like, cause this I'm not gonna wear. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Once again, probably this one's better. Out of all of these. Yeah. Oh my god! No, that's crazy! I kind of this, I'm gonna be honest. Butterfly is probably the best from these. And it's this. I already have the butterfly now for this one. Probably the Crampet's best, honestly.
Who the heck is that? I can see him!
No! God, please, no! No! Bro, I'm not finna do that. Don't mind my music, bro. Just. Alright. I'm Page Hologram. Last case. Oh, I had to pause recording for a second. I don't know if it's like still the same recording, but I don't know. Well, that's what we have for now, but this is what we all have. I didn't open these. I cased most of these, but like honestly, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The butterfly knife is like my favorite. Like, hold on, let me find the machete. Like, look, I have 9 tempers. Where's the machete at, bro? Machete 6, like, no, bro. 7 Kirko steals. Like, just no. Bro, we're gonna play, like, 1, probably, because I'm not trying to get my... Because the FPS dropped when I record, so... On y'all screen, my FPS might drop as much, but, like, for me, yeah, for me right now it is. So... What the f... I know I saw something about this, but I didn't really think it was... Whatever the f... this is. Yeah. I've done a lot of levels, so it's gonna get harder. I might see you increase way more fails. See, like that. I usually don't fail that, but like... We're gonna at least try to complete 1 level. I'm not probably just gonna grab at the time. Just gonna get this out. I'm gonna try to upload consistently. I mean, maybe like once every few days or something like that. I chance if any of y'all haven't seen Corey Kenshin, bro, check that man's out, bro. And oh my god. I also might do some geometry, just dash just the $3 one, you know, that has everything soon. But I don't know. It'll probably be like maybe a week or so. But yeah. Sweet. At least I'm not begging, but I'm just saying if everyone would like to drop a quick tweet, that'd be nice. But like, I'm just want to finish this level. I don't like this level. I really don't like this level. I don't like this one, bro. Also, I shall Pete. I almost said I shall meet, but I shall speed, bro. I was watching him when the I shall meet incident happened, bro. That was crazy. Also, this video might not be made for kids. I don't know. I changed my last one from not made to kids to made to kids because I realized, like, with my other channel that I made, like, deleted it. Like, when I had made to kids, it only gets like 3 views, but like, so I was just seeing if it would change. If I changed it, not made for kids. So This one is probably gonna be made for kids. Not made for kids, actually. Not bad. Cause no, what the fuck? Yo, this is BS, bruh. What is this? Is there anything behind me, bruh? This one I'm probably not I'm just gonna go for it. But yeah, like I was saying. Oh, is this not a dropper, chat? Chat, is this not a dropper? I usually just I would have restarted by now, but I get this video out. I don't have much time either. I mean, I do, but I just want to watch anime and be real with y'all. Hear me out, bruh. Hear me out. I might be a little free, but honestly, I'm hooked on like real men's animes and shit. So, what the but yeah, this one's just probably gonna be a short one, but I'll probably like make it faster on the other one. But I'm not sponsored by TikTok. Okay. I'm probably just gonna do one of these. Honestly, because it's hard to do real quick. But like, tell me if you want commentary or just like no commentary. I'm fine with you. Like honestly, my voice is kind of annoying. I know that. But like, if y'all are chill with that. But yeah, make sure to leave a comment if you what y'all think. So I'll do it honestly. I think I'm making videos and playing games. I'll especially this one. This one, honestly, I'm not even sponsored, but it's fun, so I'm gonna play it. But like, yeah, I might try to get something done. I'm probably gonna go for like a laptop instead of PC, cause hold on. Instead of PC, cause laptop is like portable. So. But after I finish this, I'm gonna hop off and probably just eat and watch anime. Hope y'all honestly have a good day, but let me know like what knife, cause this knife is kind of fire, but I don't know if y'all prefer anything else. I have different like hands too, so if you want, you could like drop money for my computer. Like I don't even know how that works. I don't know how to turn this on, but yeah. Alright, it was nice. Mess with y'all boys. Peace out, bro. GG's, y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in a couple days. Alright, peace. Love y'all.